These are procedures that patients could get in addition to rhinoplasty that can improve their facial beauty. This board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Shim Ching in Honolulu, Hawaii, talking to you today about procedures other than a rhinoplasty that patients get to improve their facial beauty. I've been in practice for 25 years doing plastic surgery. I have offices in Honolulu, Dubai, and Doha. I'm trained all over the world, including Canada, the US, Colombia, Korea, so I feel I'm very qualified to be talking to you about this subject. Rhinoplasty is one of the most common procedures that can really change how attractive a person's face is. By making the nose smaller, bigger, more refined, we can really change a patient's beauty for the better. Although rhinoplasty is one of the most common ways to change a patient's attractiveness, there are other procedures that a lot of patients will get in addition to rhinoplasty to make them more attractive. Typically, when we're doing rhinoplasty, it is on younger patients. However, some older patients will get rhinoplasty as well. It really depends on the patient and what they want and what the right time in their life is for this kind of change. When I see a patient for rhinoplasty, I will assess the chin. The chin is a very important aspect of the face that needs to be balanced with the nose. And often when the nose is too large, the chin can be deficient. So chin augmentation is very common for me to perform both in men and women because this helps with facial beauty, it balances the nose, and it can achieve a very nice result for a patient. There's a concept of facial balancing that we are talking a lot about in both surgery and non-surgical aesthetics. Facial balancing is done by my injectors, and the use of filler can really improve a patient's attractiveness, and balancing the nose and the chin is a way to do this surgically. The chin augmentation in my practice is done through a very small incision inside the mouth. We place a solid silicone implant in the chin. It's a quick procedure, a very easy procedure, but the results can be really quite amazing for patients in terms of making them look more attractive. When the implant is placed next to the bone, it feels just like bone. You don't really feel anything. Patients usually forget that they have it, but they still have the benefit of having this procedure and the result that they get. Additional procedures include buccal fat removal. A lot of men get this, women as well. Fullness in the cheek here can be reduced by taking out a fat pad through a small incision inside the mouth. Again, very quick procedure, small procedure, but making this area a little bit less full in certain patients really can improve their beauty. The other thing I'm often doing is neck liposuction in conjunction with buccal fat removal or chin augmentation that can really make jawline stand out better. This works really well in men as well as women. Any excess fat in the neck that's causing fullness can be removed with a tiny little incision beside the earlobe and a single incision underneath the chin and on the earlobe on the other side. Very quick procedure, very easy procedure to get through, and this can really help patients as well. We talk about other procedures. We can talk about lip lifts, where the distance between the nose and lip is too long. By shortening that distance, by lifting the upper lip, we can also improve the patient's beauty quite a bit. There's a quick procedure that's done with an incision that's camouflaged underneath the edges of the nose. And when things are healed, not only is the distance between the nose and lip shortened, the upper lip is fuller because we pulled things up slightly. Lastly is work around the eyes. I see a lot of younger patients requesting brow lifts now. A lot of celebrities and models have had this done to open up the eyes, make them larger, lift the brow up. When the brow is heavy and low, the eye can appear a bit smaller, and by lifting this structure, we can really improve the beauty of the eyes. Commonly, this is done in younger patients with an endoscopic approach, so there's small incisions inside the scalp which are not visible. And through those tiny little incisions, this is like keyhole surgery, we can lift the brow effectively and give patients a very nice result. More open eyes, larger eyes, and more beautiful eye aesthetics. So there you have it. These are procedures that patients could get in addition to rhinoplasty that can improve their facial beauty. If you're considering any of these procedures, please find a qualified and skilled plastic surgeon to talk about these procedures with you. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, give us a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.